Hey guys, what's up? I'm back. Yeah, after a long time, I'm finally back. So, I just wanted to share the reason that I was actually away from the channel, which is because I've been working on some projects here since my last one, which was a a customer support AI agent on WhatsApp for pharmacies. And it was actually an idea of a business which actually never came to reality. But it taught me some lessons about what I should focus on, what I should learn, and everything. So I considered it my first project. And I hope the rain is not annoying the video, the audio. But anyway, the thing is, after I finish this customer support agent on WhatsApp, I had some opportunities to work with a consulting firm here in Brazil, and it was a real project on WhatsApp, and I think it was the most challenging thing I've ever done. Like taking care of a cloud environment on Docker, and I had quite some problems with this project. It was challenging. It was hard. I thought about quitting several times, but it is something that I look back now and I'm really proud of me, of myself, that I decided to keep it going and finishing the job that I promised to deliver and everything. Because it was actually a hackathon. We were 3 devs in one challenge. The challenge was to take a legacy system that I think it actually never worked, but take that legacy system and turn it into a functional AI agent on WhatsApp. And I believe I was the only one who actually managed to make it work. It was actually pretty garbage, so I did manage to make it work. And afterwards they actually hired me for some time. I kept developing the agent, and now they're testing it. Like, I believe I'm gonna continue on this project. I did a great job, and I am proud of me. I am actually proud. You need to be proud of yourself, you know? Recognize your accomplishments. That's important. That's something important. So, while I was working on this project, this big consulting project, serious project, I had an idea to create something to solve a huge problem that I was having on my day-to-day work with AI. So the problem is everything that I was creating, everything that I was working on was living on separate places. Like, there were parts of project work there were parts of the project that I was working on ChatGPT, on Claude, on Google's AI Studio, So I was like everywhere. The project was everywhere. Tiny pieces of the project, other things that I was doing. So I thought, well, why can't I have a single place where everything is living, everything is connected? There's an actual context about what I'm doing, what I'm working on, my routine, my habits, my schedule, my sleep. Why isn't something like this existing? So I had this problem and I came up with a solution, which was I created an MVP on Bubble and N8N as the backend, Bubble as the front, and it was actually functional. It is like a RAG system, simple RAG system, RAG for retrieval augmented generation, and it's like a brain that lives inside my computer, but it is not a dumb second brain that you need to use 25,000 tags to find the things that you put it on. You need to have a framework to feed the brain. It doesn't work for me. It doesn't work. I tried to use Obsidian, but I don't work using this system. It's not for me. I need something that is as simple as like throwing a file on a folder. That's it. That's what I need. So the Bubble MVP actually worked pretty well, but it was like a web app. So right now I am working on a downloadable software where I can keep my files, keep my stuff local, and send only the queries using a cloud model. Like, so everything about the files, the embeddings, the vector store will be local, and when I need to consult this brain, because I actually looked into this option, and I think local LLMs are not as quite as good as cloud LLMs. So the core brain, the core structure of the application will be local, but the queries will be sent to a cloud model. But of course, privacy first and no training data. So that's the project. I'm actually excited about it because it is something that I need on my day-to-day life. And but this video is just to tell you guys that I'm getting back with videos. I'm getting back with this. I will document the creation of this application, and I will. I hope I can teach some lessons about the work that I'm doing on the consulting firm. And I need to get back with these videos, and I think everyone who works like in a similar way that I work should do videos because they help you like get that thing out of your head and turn it into reality. Videos are amazing. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm coming back definitely, and I'm excited. So yeah, that's it. So keep it up. I will post some videos soon about this MVP that I'm working on. That's it, guys. See you on the next video. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe. And if you have any questions, if you have any ideas, if you want to contribute to this project, leave it in the comments. And I see you guys in the next one.